Good morning, everyone. Back at my favorite fishing hole again. Gonna try to catch us some rock bass, smallmouth, panfish, trout. The other day I didn't have my camera. I caught 3 nice trout here. So the trout are still here. So let's see what we can get. Ooh, had a bite. Very first cast had a bite. This place is just loaded up with rock bass. Loaded up with rock bass. It's actually loaded up with sunnies. Loaded up. Got one. Here we go. First one of the day. Nice little sunny. Yeah, this place is just loaded up with fish. This is what we're going to be catching today. I love creek fishing. Creek fishing is so much fun. Just love it. Just came down for like an hour today. Just to see what we can do. Little maggots, grubs that I got on Temu. I think I got 50 of them for like 90 cents. And I'll tell you what, I've been using them for a few days now. They hold up, boy. They really hold up. They sink really quick, which is nice. I like them because I like to ride them on the bottom. It's a really good spot, man. Catch a lot of fish here. Like I said, a lot of rock bass in here. Got one. I'm getting bit up already. Thought the mosquitoes wouldn't be that bad. There's another one, another sunny. Down on the other end is where the rock bass are. Got one already. Got a rock. It's a rock bass. Nope, it's a sunny. Looked like a rock bass for a second there. I love creek fishing, man. I could do this all day long. Brings me back to my childhood when I was young with my dad. My dad passed away 13 years ago. But I used to fish so much with him. And this is what we used to do. We used to love creek fishing. Oh, ooh, that was a good hit. Never really caught anything big in here. They just don't grow that big. But they're fun. Came down last night. Caught about 30. I didn't have my camera on. Just came down for an out. Ooh, that was a nice bite. Just came down for about an hour to kill some time. There you go. That one was right under the rock. Oh, the sunnies are biting right now. Oh, no, that's a rock. Oh, that's like a wow. I don't know what that is. It's got red eyes. Looks like it's a mix between a rock and a sunny. What do I know? Got an, ooh, nice bite. Nice bite. The other day when I came down, got another one. The other day when I came down, what is this? Another sunny. The sunnies are biting right now, not the rocks. The other day when I came down, I caught 3 nice trout. One was like a 15-incher. I'll put the picture in. Actually, I think I got a video of that. Not catching it, just after the fact. Oh, there's going to be one in there. There has to be. Nope. Got him. Man, the sunnies are on fire today. The panfish. They're on fire. I was fishing here, and I threw it right in here, and 3 trout were in there, and I caught all 3 of them. I didn't even, not that I knew they were in there. They just attacked it. Ooh, something just attacked it. It's a trout. A freaking trout. Unbelievable. No, what is that? Yeah, trout. A fucking, what a nice trout. Oh. Come on, baby. I'm trying to get you. Stop. Nice trout. All right, I'll let you go. Jesus Christ, I dropped him 3 times. Hope he was all right. I freaking dropped him 3 times. Sorry about that. I like to try to handle him with care, but so this, like I said, this freaking Temu grub. Go on Temu, man. There are 50 of them for like, I think I paid 60 cents for like 50 of these. And I'll tell you, I've been using this same one now. At least 40, 50 fish I caught on this, and it's not even the least bit scratched up. It's very, very well made, believe it or not. See if there's any underneath. Oh, here comes the rain. Got him. A rock. Told you, this is where the rocks hang out. This is where the rocks hang out. Oh, that's a sunny. Nope, it's a sunny. Never mind. What the hell did I do? What in God's name did I do? What in God's name did I do? And I got a fish on there. I know I do because I feel it. Oh, I think I fixed it. That was quick. Let's see what fish I got on there. It came off. That's because I got all tangled up. Getting bites, but they seem tiny. Got him. A rock. First rock bass of the day, I believe. First rocker. Tiny little one. Tiny little rock bass. There's a lot of little rocks in here. They love the little Temu grub. Yeah, it's raining pretty good, so I'm gonna move down. I'm gonna turn this camera because I don't want to get it wet. Caught another one off camera. The rain keeps spitting on us, and my camera's not in a waterproof housing, so I don't want to get it messed up. Try to. Ooh, it's another nice bite. A lot of the sunnies are biting. Not a lot of rock, not a lot of trout are biting right now. You could always rely on the sunnies to feed whenever. You could always rely on the sunnies. So whenever you want to just come out for a quick little fishing trip, catch a couple little fish, you can catch 1,000,000 of these sunnies. I love it. So much fun. So much fun.